Steel EMT connector. Compression type from ELECMAN. Constructed from high-grade steel with zinc-plated finish. This fitting delivers excellent corrosion, resistance, and lasting durability for various job site conditions. Its precision. Compression lock design firmly secures EMT metallic tubing to junction boxes, panels, and electrical enclosures without setting. Screws. UL listed and compliant with UL 514 standards. It ensures continuous grounding and strong anti-vibration performance to prevent loose connections. It covers a full sizes ranging from 1/2 up to 4 inches to meet diverse project requirements. Engineered for fast on-site assembly, this connector is widely adopted in residential, commercial, and industrial wiring systems, providing safe and reliable conduit termination solutions.